Most fat-burning supplements don't fail because they are completely useless. They fail because people expect them to do a job they were never designed to do. CitrusBurn is one of many products positioned as a metabolism support formula. It promises increased energy, reduced cravings, and better fat-burning efficiency. But the real question is not whether it works in isolation. The real question is, what role does it actually play in a weight loss process? To understand that, you need to look beyond the marketing and focus on how these types of products are typically used. The main problem starts with expectations. Many people approach supplements like CitrusBurn as a shortcut. They assume that taking a capsule can replace consistent habits like controlled eating, regular movement, and sleep structure. When those expectations are not met, the conclusion is simple: this doesn't work. But that conclusion often skips an important step: understanding the function of the product itself. Most fat-burning supplements, including formulas like CitrusBurn, are built around two main mechanisms. The first is stimulation. Ingredients may increase alertness or energy levels, which can indirectly support activity. The second is appetite modulation. Some compounds may help reduce the urge to snack or overeat. These are support functions, not primary drivers of fat loss. Fat loss at its core still depends on a consistent energy deficit. That means your body is using more energy than it receives over time. No supplement replaces that process. What a supplement can do is make certain parts of that process easier to manage. For example, if someone struggles with low energy during the day, a stimulant-based formula might help them stay more active. If someone tends to snack frequently, appetite support might help reduce that behavior. But if those behaviors are not part of a structured plan, the effect becomes inconsistent. This is where most people run into problems. They take the supplement, but their routine stays the same. Eating patterns remain unstructured. Activity levels don't change. Sleep is irregular. In that scenario, even a well-formulated product has very little to work with. So the question shifts from, does CitrusBurn work? To, under what conditions can it contribute to results? Looking at it this way creates a more realistic framework. If someone already has a basic structure, regular meals, some level of physical activity, and a clear goal, then a product like CitrusBurn may act as a small support tool. It might help with consistency. It might reduce friction in daily habits. But it will not create results on its own. Another factor to consider is variability. Not everyone responds the same way to these ingredients. Some people feel noticeable changes in energy or appetite. Others feel very little. This is normal and depends on factors like tolerance, sensitivity, and overall lifestyle. This variability often leads to mixed reviews. One person reports positive changes, while another sees no difference. Both experiences can be valid because the context is different. There is also the issue of timing and usage. Taking a supplement without aligning it to your daily routine reduces its potential impact. For example, using an energy support formula late in the day may interfere with sleep, which indirectly affects weight management. Small details like this can influence outcomes more than the product itself. So instead of treating CitrusBurn as a solution, it makes more sense to see it as a conditional tool. It works within a system, not outside of one. The key insight here is simple but often overlooked. Supplements can support behavior, but they do not replace structure. If the structure is missing, the results are unpredictable. If the structure is present, the supplement may offer incremental support. This perspective removes a lot of confusion. It explains why some people feel benefits while others don't. It explains why results are often smaller than expected. And it clarifies what these products are realistically capable of doing. When you evaluate CitrusBurn through this lens, the answer becomes more balanced. It is not a magic solution, but it is not necessarily useless either. Its effectiveness depends heavily on how it is used and what surrounds it. If your routine is inconsistent, this type of product will not fix that. If your routine is already in place, it may help you maintain it more easily. That difference is what determines the outcome. In the end, the most reliable approach is still based on fundamentals: consistent eating patterns, manageable activity levels, and realistic expectations. Supplements like CitrusBurn can sit on top of that foundation, but they cannot replace it. Understanding this saves time, money, and frustration. Instead of chasing results from a single product, you focus on building a system where each element has a clear role. That's where long-term consistency comes from. If you found this breakdown useful, consider subscribing to the channel for more structured explanations like this. And if you want to look deeper into how products like this are positioned, there's a link in the description where you can review the official details and see how the ingredients are presented within that broader context.